Hi, I'm doing a review today on this product right here, and it's by this company. This is basically an inverter. It has a cigarette lighter or a car charger on it, and it has different ports on it. It has a USB port, the large one, and a USB-C port, and also the one that I need, which is perfect, is a house port. Okay. So basically, you can plug any household item like a laptop cord because it has a three prong on it, an extension cord, or whatever you can plug in here. I know for me, but I'm gonna tell you the product itself, and I love the fact that if it has an overheating function, has all these different ventilations. It has it on the side, top, of course. On the side has it all different areas of ventilation. So the fan in the inside, when it kick on, it can promote coolness inside of the unit. Okay, so the unit will not run hot. And this is ideal for me. My heater went out in the vehicle that I am. So I actually use a portable heater that uses a house outlet. Okay, so I plug this in, and to get it warm in the front seat of the car for me, I put that heater and plug it up right here, and this thing works perfectly, you guys. I love the overall design of it. So all you got to do is insert this part right here into the cigarette lighter outlet, and it's flexible to the point that you can move it up, move it down. Okay, see that? Love that rotation. Okay. And I like the way it snapped too. So, cause it won't wiggle back and forth. If I want it in that spot, it ain't going nowhere. That's real awesome. And again, I love the vents. I love the vents. It will cool that fan motor completely down, and everything in it will remain cool inside. Okay. So this power inverter, you can see that. This is the specifications on it. Okay. And again, it's by this company right here. Ideal for me, you guys, and it definitely is a lifesaver for me. Just to take a look in the inside of that bad boy. This is awesome. Awesome. Again, thank you so much. Hope you guys like this review. Hope this review helped you make a great decision on this product. Thanks. Have a great day.